This
Just edit
conference
your
will now
names.
be recorded.
You can edit
This is
your
Bharat
info.
Kumar.
Okay, no need to say the names.
Okay.
Just edit your names in the GoToMetric application.
GoToMetric application.
Okay. If you are using mobile phones, you will find the option in the left bottom side. There you will find 3 dots. Click on it and edit your info. Look at the screen. The format should be like this: your roll number and your name. Okay, guys, is the format is clear? Your name and your roll number. Okay, we are taking attendance directly from the GoToMeeting app. So we need your name and your registered number. Okay.
Sir, where we need to edit this details, sir?
Okay, if you are using a laptop or system, you can go to the left top corner. There you can
Okay.
find options to edit your information.
Okay.
If you are using mobile phones, you will find the option in the left bottom side. Okay. Click on the 3 dots and click on edit your information. Okay, there you can change the name and your email name.
But there is no registered number, sir.
Your college register number, you need to provide it.
Sir, you said that you enter your info. In that there is a enter your full name.
Okay.
And
Give your name.
enter your email address. Yes, sir.
Okay,
I will
you can give
sir.
that.
Next,
Okay,
enter
guys,
your email ID.
please all of you mute your mics and turn off your webcams. Okay, this is not a video conference. You will be listening only audio. Am I clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Firstly, edit your information because we need to take your attendance. If you give something else at the place of your names, you will be get absent. Okay, let's get back to the class. Is the screen is visible? Guys,
Yes, sir.
turn off your mics and your video cams. I'm seeing someone. Okay, Mr. Yashwant, Raja Yashwant, please turn off your webcam. Raja Yashwant. Okay, guys, I think this platform is new to you. Okay, it will be familiar once you're in. Okay, let's get back to the class. Okay, all of you are here for learning PCB designing. Am I clear? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. You can respond by turning on your mics, or you can keep a message in the chat box. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
I'm starting the session. First of all, what is a PCB? Can anyone tell me?
Printed circuit board.
Okay.
PCB
Why
is a
do we
printed
use it?
circuit board which we can use it for to do many projects, sir.
Okay. Why do we use a PCB? Why do we need PCB?
To mount the all components which are required for the circuit.
Okay.
And to reduce the bit size.
It is used assembling elements, sir.
Assembling elements. Okay, somewhat correct, Mr. Ramakrishna.
Yes, sir.
Okay, can anyone give me the clear perspective of what is a PCB do?
Assembling all elements in a single chip, sir.
Sir, we have to pass
Okay.
between the elements.
Sir, we can make complicated circuits into a simple circuits on PCB designs.
Okay.
Assembling in large elements in a single chip, sir.
Okay, that's more correct.
Sir, we have to add free path to the elements without clumsiness.
Okay.
To decrease the size of the circuit, we can use the PCB, sir.
Okay, I need some more answers.
PCB do mechanically and electrically works.
Okay, that's somewhat
It
correct.
is all elements connected to. Hello, sir.
Sir, ఇది సార్ బ్రెడ్ బోర్డ్ మీద కూడా చేయొచ్చు, కానీ ఏంటంటే అది అంత యాక్యురసీగా ఉండదు, తర్వాత లుక్ కూడా అపిరియన్స్ కూడా బాగోదు. అందుకని మనం PCB బోర్డ్ అని యూజ్ చేసుకుంటాం సార్. ఇంకా సింపుల్ గా సర్క్యూట్స్ అన్ని అది ఈజీగా ఉంటుంది, చూడడానికి కూడా చాలా లుక్ గా ఉంటుంది.
Okay, nothing but we are reducing the complexity.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
If we use a breadboard,
Yes, sir.
what is the
Use చేయొచ్చు సార్.
drawback of a breadboard?
బికాస్ సైజ్ సార్.
అయితే మనం ఎక్కడ ఉంది అనేది కరెక్ట్ గా చెప్పలేం సార్. అంటే ఎక్కడ పోయిందంటే చూసుకోవడానికి చాలా టైం పడుతుంది సార్ బ్రెడ్ బోర్డ్ లో. అదే PCB బోర్డ్ యూజ్ చేస్తే ఎక్కడ కనెక్షన్ పోయింది అన్న విషయం మనం ఈజీగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయొచ్చు. అదే బ్రెడ్ బోర్డ్ లో అయితే కాంప్లెక్స్ అవుతుంది.
ఒక కనెక్షన్ తీయాలన్నా సరే కొంచెం ఈజీ.
Okay, guys, one at a time. Please respond one at a time. One person at a time.
All the components, the electronic components, we cannot simply connect in the air. So we need a base. It is called PCB, printed circuit board. All the components we can we can solder to the printed circuit board so that it makes we can reduce the complexity of the electronic circuit.
Okay guys, now come to the class. So what is the first step in PCB designing? Can anyone tell me? I think all of you have searched something on PCBs, right? Before attending this class. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this slide shows you some of the contents. Okay, we will be covering all these topics. First of all, in PCB designing, what do we need? Electronics. Am I clear, guys? These are the contents learning in 2 weeks. Electronics, printed circuit boards, history of PCBs, types of PCBs, types. Guys, please turn off your mics. I think someone is talking.
So we're designing using reactors. First is we have a pre comparing.
Okay, Miss Ramasai, I am not getting you. I think your voice is breaking. Okay, these are the contents. Next. Okay, all of you had clear idea about what is electronics. Okay, I think all of you are from the background of electronics. Okay, no need to explain all this. Okay, just look at it. What is electronics? Electronic means the study of electrons flow in electrical circuits. Okay, is it clear, guys? We have already studied all these in our earlier stages of our education. Okay, I think from 9th class we are studying about electronics. Okay, and the flow of electrons in electrical circuits. Now when it comes to electronics, it is different from electrical and electromechanical science technology. Okay, keep in mind that, class. Okay, what is the main purpose of electronics? You can observe in the 4th point, electronics is widely used in signal processing and information processing. Okay, is it clear, guys? Okay, we don't need all of this theory part. Just for your concern, I am reminding you about hello. Hello. Guys, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
We can
Okay,
start.
these are the types of boards. we have in the electronics base. Just give me a second, guys.
Okay. Hello.
Okay, guys, I think all of you know what is this. Okay, and you know about breadboard. And what is a general purpose board? Can anyone tell me?
It's for soldering purpose, sir. Just like soldering purpose.
Okay.
After checking in
By practicing what?
Guys, one
We
guy
can
at a time.
we can use that general purpose board in practicing.
Okay, for practicing. Okay, that
Yes,
is
sir.
very good. General purpose boards are nothing but they are also PCBs, but they are called as dot matrix PCBs. Okay, you will have the copper material only around the dot. Okay, is it clear, guys? It is also called as a PCB. Okay, but it is a dot matrix PCB. Okay, the last one, printed circuit board. You will be knowing what is it, how it is made, and how it works. Okay, going to the next slide. Okay, now coming to the clear point of view about printed circuit boards. Okay, here you can observe the first point, a mechanical solution to an electrical problem. Okay, can anyone tell me what does that mean? A mechanical solution to an electrical problem.
We can customize an circuit in mechanical form. Sir.
Okay, some more answers. Okay, I will give you an example. Okay, consider a circuit. You have a battery, one LED, and a switch. Okay, you need to connect it on breadboard. What will be the connections? You will be connecting the ground directly to the LED, and the battery positive is connected to the switch, and the other terminal is connected to anode terminal of an LED. Guys, am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can build this circuit very easily by using a breadboard.
Or text graphics, or some styles, some fonts, some words. So these all are
Guys, someone turn on their mic. I need you to turn off your mics. Only when it is needed, you can turn on the mic. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can observe the screen.
Excuse me, sir. We are
Hello.
unable to listen you.
Hello guys, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, if there is any problem, let me know through the chat box, or you can turn on your mic. Guys, consider this as an LED and you need a battery. Okay, wait. Okay guys, consider this is a basic circuit and you need to connect it on breadboard. Okay, what will you do? you need to take a switch, you have an LED, and you need a battery. Okay, the battery positive terminal is connected to one side of the switch and the other side is connected to LED. The ground is directly connected to the LED. Okay, now assume connecting the circuit in breadboard is very easy. Okay, am I clear? Is it yes or no, guys?
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. This is a simple circuit and we can easily connect it on breadboard. But consider an example of connecting a motherboard by using a breadboard. Is it possible? Can we connect
No,
the
sir. It will
motherboard
become
connections?
complex.
No.
Okay.
It becomes more
While
complex.
that is the meaning of this point. A mechanical solution to electrical problem. We can connect the simple circuits in breadboard, but when it comes to large circuits, we cannot make connections or the circuit becomes very complex. Okay, if one line gets shorted, the entire circuit collapses. Is it yes or no, guys? Okay, these are some of the points related to printed circuit boards. Okay, you can read them if needed. The second point says that it is a circuit board with printed copper layout connections. Okay. Did you understand the second point, guys? Printed copper layout connections. That is nothing but we are not using any electrical wires between terminal to terminal. Okay. Directly we are making the connections by using a copper layout. Okay, guys. In the bottom, you can observe two images. Guys, someone turned on their mic. I need you to turn off your mics. Only when it is needed, then you can turn it on. Okay, guys. You can observe the images. These are called the copper layout connections. Okay, between components. Components are nothing but electronics like resistors, capacitors, okay, and so on. In the right side, you can observe a diagram of a resistor placed on a PCB. Okay, here you can observe some of the indications. The component is a resistor and it is placed through a PCB board. Okay, that red area is called as pad. Okay, you will be knowing all of this. Pads are nothing but the places where we solder the component terminals. Is it clear, guys? Pads are the places where we need to solder the component terminals. Okay, next point. These are all general points. PCBs are the backbone of electrical devices. Printed circuit boards are one of the most important parts on electrical and electronics devices. Okay, the last point says they are result inexpensive and can be highly reliable. Okay, I will show you some of the pictures at the end of the class, which shows why we have adopted the PCB rather than using a breadboard and other boards. Okay, guys. Okay, this guys, please check your mics. If you are turning on your mics, the class gets interrupted. Okay. Okay, the next slide shows key points of PCB designing. Okay, I think many of you are taking notes from this. Okay, the first one says FR4 board. Okay, what is a FR4 board?
I mean, fire resistant.
Not firewall system. FR4 is the material used to design the PCB boards. Okay. In PCBs, it looks like a plastic sheet, but that is not the plastic. It is made up of fiberglass, epoxy, and waste cloth material. That material is called FR4. Okay, am I clear, guys? The PCB boards are
What is
designed
the
with a
fiberglass waste cloth?
okay material used to design PCB boards. FR4 is the material. In that material, we use fiberglass plus epoxy plus waste cloth material. Okay, is it clear, Mr.?
Fiber.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next, copper.
Can you repeat the point, please? Fiber.
Okay, guys, can anyone tell me why all these electrical and electronic circuits use only copper? Can anyone
Because
tell
low
me?
resistance and high conductivity.
Good conductor.
Yes, that's good.
So can you repeat the point, please? Fiber. FR4.
Fiberglass, epoxy, and waste cloth material. Okay, copper is a high conductivity material. Okay. Next, copper is used to give the layout connections. Nothing but terminal to terminal electrical connections are made using copper. Next, solder mask. Okay, you will come to know all of these. Solder masking is nothing but, okay, all of you have seen PCBs. Is it right? Everyone have seen PCBs. Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Basically, without solder masking, all
Yes,
PCB
sir.
boards will be in copper color only. Okay, guys, that solder masking is nothing but it is a protective layer which is always usually in green color. Okay, every PCBs are protected by a layer that is called solder mask. Solder masking is used to protect the tracks. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, silk screen or overlay. Silk screen is nothing but some of the PCBs have indications on them. Okay, some markings and labels, names, etc., etc. will be shown in some of the PCBs, that is called as silk screen. Next, you will be knowing all of these while designing layer stack up, component package. Okay, everything will be learned step by step. Okay, component package. There are two types of packages in PCBs. Okay, first one is through hole technology. The second one is surface mount technology. Is it clear, guys? We have only two packages, through hole and surface mount. Surface mount technology is the advanced technology. Currently, there are no through hole methods. Okay, you will be knowing. Okay, you can see the image. The first component shows a through hole technology. The second component shows a surface mount technology. Is it clear, guys? Through hole method is nothing but the components will have terminals and we need to drill holes through the PCB and solder the terminals on the copper side of the PCB. Okay. But coming to the surface mount technology, the components are directly placed on top of the copper and they are soldered on that side only. Okay, in surface mount technology, there is no need of drilling holes. Guys, if you have any problem, let me know. Or if you have any doubts, you can keep a message in the chat box.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Okay, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Vijay Rama Kaushik. చెప్పండి.
సార్ మాకు ఈ యాప్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అవుతలేదు సార్.
వేరే ఫోన్ లో ఓపెన్ చేస్తాను సార్.
క్లాస్ నాకు హలో సార్.
హలో.
గోటు మీటింగ్ నా మొబైల్ అవుతలేదు సార్. ఇది
మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి.
మొబైల్ అప్లికేషన్ సార్.
యాప్ స్టోర్ లో గోటు మీటింగ్ అని ఉంటుంది.
అవును సార్, అసలు అది యాప్ లేదని చెప్తుంది సార్.
Okay, you keep a message in the WhatsApp chat. Okay, guys.
నేను మా బ్రదర్ మొబైల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ అయ్యింది సార్ ఇది.
Okay, no problem. Just edit your information so that you can get attendance.
Okay, sir.
Okay, other than the class, if you have any doubts, please keep a message in the WhatsApp. Okay, I need all of you to join the WhatsApp group. Okay, every information I will share in WhatsApp only. I will not email anybody. Okay, still completion of this course, and after you get the certificate, then only you can leave the group. Till then you need to stay in that WhatsApp group. Okay, I think everybody is in the WhatsApp group. Okay, if there is any urgent information, I will post it in WhatsApp group. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. That's nice. Okay, where we are? Component package. There are two types of packages. The older version is through hole technology. Through hole is nothing but, you can observe here, the components have terminals and they need to be soldered to the other side of PCB. where the copper layer is present. Coming to the next technology, the present technology is surface mount technology. Okay, is it clear, guys? Next, pads. I have already told you what is a pad. Pads are the areas where we solder the terminals. Is it clear, guys? The soldering areas are known as pads. Next, copper tracks. Copper tracks are nothing but the electrical connections between the component terminal to terminal. Is it clear, guys? Copper tracks can also be called as traces or tracks.
Okay, sir.
Tracks and traces are the same. Okay, last one, plated holes. Through hole vias, full stack vias. Okay, you will be knowing what is a vias. I will explain you later when the topic comes. Vias is a electrical connection between layers. Okay, you will be knowing that. Okay, coming to the history of PCBs. Okay, you can observe a person. Okay, his name is Paul Ehler. He is an Austrian scientist. And
Sir, your voice.
Sir, your voice is not audible to us, sir.
okay, sorry guys. I haven't noticed the mic. Okay, is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Sir.
Okay, that's nice. Thank you. Okay, history of PCBs. They were first introduced in the Second World War time. Okay. Here it is not mentioned that when it was first used. Okay. During the First World War, the first PCBs were invented to use in a rocket launcher. Okay, is it clear, guys? Paul Ehler designed a PCB which was used in a rocket launcher. Okay, in the military application. Okay, these are some of the points you know. They were first used in transformers and capacitors. Okay. Next, coming to the next slide. Okay, as I have already told you, the first one is a dotted PCB or dot matrix PCB. Okay. Is it clear, guys? The second one is a layout PCB. Okay, some key points already I have told you. You can observe the indications of some of the components here on the PCB board. Guys, here you have some resistors, capacitors. Okay, this printing is known as silk screen. Guys, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that green color is the shoulder mask, and that is a protective layer to protect the tracks. Okay, basically it is a copper, and if we leave it without a protective layer, it may corrode and the signal may get damaged. Okay. Okay, what is the drawback of a dotted PCB? Can anyone tell me?
We need to
What are
solve
the
the
There are no
Corrosion occurs, sir.
and also there
Short
are no
corrosion occurs.
markings.
circuits. Short circuits.
Okay, there are no more mark. Okay, some more answers.
There
Short
is no
circuit, sir.
solder mask, so that there may occur short circuits like that, sir. And
Okay.
corrosion is a possible way for that.
Okay, that's very nice.
Signal loss, sir.
Okay, signal loss.
Will melt at higher temperature.
Errors may occur, sir.
Short circuit. Short circuit.
And for the connecting components, we need to solder a long distance,
Okay.
comparable to PCB, printed circuit board.
Yes, that's nice one. Okay, guys, if we use a dotted PCB, we need to solder every terminal here by using wires. Okay. But when coming to the layout PCB, directly we are designing a schematic and then printing it in a PCB board. Next, coming to the next slide. Okay, this is some information about the dotted PCBs. Okay, as you have already said, only dots are available. According to our requirement, we can place or insert the components in the holes and attach the components with wires and soldering lead. It is very hard to design. Difficulties. Those are connecting the proper pins, avoiding short connections, and etc. Okay, layout PCBs. First, we select our circuit and using different PCB designing softwares. Okay, guys, you will be knowing different softwares. There are number of PCB designing softwares. Okay, then the layout of the circuit, and this is not etching, that is etching. Here it is I.
Sir, can you spell it?
You need ETCHING. Okay, make a change of it. Guys, turn off your mics.
Online training.
మీ ఇద్దరు మరి చేసుకోవాలి కాదు నువ్వు ఎలాగా చూస్తలేదు మా ఇద్దరికి
Dr. Dilip Kumar.
Sorry.
Okay, guys, you are disturbing the entire session.
No, sorry, sir. Sorry, I'm muted my mic for this.
Guys, please be aware of your mics and webcams. Okay. Okay, Mr. Prudviraj, that's nice. Etching, not itching. Etching is the process where we remove unwanted copper. Okay, you will be knowing it. Etching process, preparing the copper layout of the circuit and solder the components to the correct places. Okay, here are some of the advantages of PCBs. It is simple to design, take less time to design, no shortages. It looks nice and perfect. Is it clear, guys? These are some of the advantages of using PCBs. Okay, going to the next slide. Okay, guys, these are the types based on layers. PCB types based on layers. The first one is a single-sided. Single-sided PCBs. Okay, I think all of you are familiar with the single-sided PCBs. Okay, how many of you have opened a TV remote?
A lot of times, sir.
Okay, I think all of you have seen what is inside a TV remote. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, many of you have seen it. I think so. There you will find a PCB. It is a single-sided PCB.
Sir, your voice are not audible.
Hello, sir. Your voice is not audible to us, sir. Hello, Mr. Jaishankar.
Santosh,
Your
sir.
voice is not. Oh, sorry, Santosh, sir.
Santosh, sir.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Sir, your voice is.
Sir, your voice is not audible, sir.
Okay, sorry. When did it went off?
Sir, from the
Guys,
double sided.
Okay, are you clear with the single-sided PCBs?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me again.
Okay,
Sir.
single-sided PCBs are nothing but you will have the conducting material only in top side of the board. Nothing but conducting material is the copper. You will be having the copper only on the top of the board. Is it clear, guys? Okay, here you can see base material clad with copper on one side. Okay, you will be seeing copper only on the top side of the board. Okay, coming to the double-sided PCBs. Here you will find the base material, nothing but the conducting material on both sides of the board. Okay, on the top side you will have the copper, and in the bottom also you will have the copper conducting material. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
In single-sided PCBs, the components are placed in on the bottom side of the board, and the terminals are soldered to the base material side, nothing but the conducting material side. In double-sided PCBs, here we can place the components on both sides. Okay, on the top you can place the components, and in the bottom also you can place some of the components. Okay, what is the advantage of double-sided PCB than the single-sided PCBs? Can anyone respond?
For more
Size
complex
complexity is reduced, sir.
circuits.
Yes, that's nice.
For more complex circuits, we need double-sided PCBs.
Okay, that's nice.
Because both sides we can design the copper track.
We can reduce the
Okay.
cost also.
Yes.
You can reduce the size of the board, sir.
Okay, that's nice. Wonderful. Double-sided PCBs reduces the size and complexity of the circuit. Okay. If we use a single-sided PCB, we need all the tracks to be only on the top side of the board. Okay. If we use ICs, they will be having several pins and we will be having several connections. Okay. You will be knowing all of these when you go to the software. Okay. Double-sided PCBs reduces the complexity. Okay, where we can design the tracks on both sides. Okay, now coming to the multi-layered PCBs. Okay, there are several layers in PCBs. Nowadays, it is currently 18 layer PCBs are manufactured. Okay, there are more layers. Companies are developing several layers of PCBs. Okay, can anyone tell me how many layers does our mobile motherboard have?
I think 3.
No,
I think
7, sir.
multi-layer.
7.
that's not right answer.
2 layers.
Multi-layered.
Okay, we have
Sir,
smartphones,
I
right?
think 15 layers.
Yes, sir.
No, that is wrong answer.
2 layers, sir.
Okay, I haven't asked you to guess. If anybody know, can respond. How many
I
layers
think
does
15
it?
layers, sir.
8
No,
layers.
that's not.
Fif-
Yes.
8 layers.
Who's that girl? Miss, what is your name?
Sumana, sir.
Sumana, that's wonderful. In smartphones motherboard, we have a PCB which consists of 8 layers. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. There are several layers. Companies are designing more and more layers. Okay, multi-layered PCBs are nothing but we have several layers. Between each layer, there is an insulating material. Okay, all of you know what is an insulator? I think so.
Yes, sir.
Okay, each layer is separated by a insulating material, and each layer consists of that conducting material where we can take the electrical paths. Okay, as I have already told you, what is a vias? Can anyone tell me? Vias, VIAS.
Electrical connection between layers.
Come again.
It's an
Connections
electronic
between two layers.
connections between the layers.
Layers.
Yes, that's the right answer. Electrical connections between layers of PCBs. Nothing but from the top layer to bottom layer, we will be having a hole, and that hole is surrounded with a conducting material. Is it clear, guys? That is known as a bias. Okay, and here we have several types of PCBs, aluminum backed PCBs. Okay, can anyone tell me what are aluminum backed PCBs? Only respond if you have the knowledge about that, or else I will continue with the session.
AC boards, sir.
Okay, they are also PCBs, but there will be a aluminum shift back to the PCB boards. Yes, who's that talking? Do you want to say something, Mr. Vijay Kumar?
Continue the class.
Okay, thank you. Okay, all of you, are you cleared with the multi-layered PCBs?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Got an idea.
sir, could you
Guys,
sir, could you explain with images, sir? Please, sir.
okay, I will show you. Next, they will be coming in the next slides.
Sir, easy remember, sir.
Guys,
Explain. You must simultaneously single layer side and you see pick and easy remember.
Jaishankar, Jaishankar,
సార్ చెప్పండి సార్
mute everyone option ఉంటుంది చూడండి.
యా చేస్తాను సార్
Guys, please be aware of your mics. You are disturbing the entire session. Okay, I think someone asked explain with the images. Okay, in next slides you will be having clear images. Okay, don't bother about it. Just I am explaining about the types. Is it clear, guys? Okay, aluminum back PCBs are nothing but there will be a, guys, how many times I need to tell you? Please be aware of your mics. If it is needed only, then turn on your mics. Okay, guys, there will be a aluminum layer to the back side of PCBs. Okay, generally aluminum back PCBs are used for high power applications. Is it clear, guys? Whenever we need high power applications like motherboards and very complex circuits, then we need aluminum back PCBs. Okay, next, flex rigid PCBs. Okay, you will be knowing what is this. Flex rigid is nothing but you will be having a PCB which is both flexible and rigid. Nothing but I will tell you an example. I think some of you are using laptops, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, all of you have seen that laptop display is separate from the motherboard. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir. Like SATA cable.
Yes, that is not a SATA cable.
It just looks like that.
Okay. The motherboard and the display are connected by using a rigid flex PCB. Okay, that is nothing but the motherboard is a rigid PCB. That means it won't bend.
Sir, your voice is not audible.
Hello, Santosh sir. Your voice is not audible to us, sir.
Sir, your
Hello.
voice is not.
Hello.
Yes, sir. It is clear now.
Okay, guys. Sorry for the inconvenience. Where did it went off?
Motherboard is a rigid PCB.
Okay. Let me continue. Rigid flex PCBs are nothing but it is a combination of strong and flexible PCBs. Nothing but the motherboard is a permanent PCB. Okay, it won't bend or okay. When coming to the flexible PCB, sorry, rigid flex. Okay, let me give you another example. Okay, all of you have seen the Motorola mobiles, right? Sliding mobiles.
Yes. Motorola.
Okay. In the motherboard side, we will be having keypad and the screen will be slided to top side. Okay. The two parts are connected by using a rigid flex PCB. Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did any of you know the mobile phones display and motherboard connecting PCBs? I think some of you have watched.
So similar to laptop screen to the motherboard.
Yes. Okay, when we opened a mobile phone and separate the display from the motherboard, there you will be seeing a flexible PCB. Okay, nothing but we can bend it in what shape we like. Is it clear, guys?
The color is gold color, sir. Gold color.
Yes, that is a PCB. That is a flexible PCB. Okay, flexible PCBs are nothing but we can bend them or twist them. Okay. Rigid flexible PCBs. Okay, you will be knowing all of this. I'm continuing to the next slide. Okay, all of you clear about the types based on layers?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can understand this slide while designing the PCBs. Okay, the picture is not clear. Guys, you can observe here, single-sided PCBs have, this is a PCB board. The base is the substrate. Substrate is the FR4 material. Is it clear, guys? And we have a copper layer. And at the top, we have solder masking. Is it clear, guys? Single-sided PCBs, we have only one copper layer. Okay, whereas coming to double-sided PCBs. Okay, here you can observe you have two copper layers, two solder masks, and only one substrate. Okay, in the center we will be having the substrate. Substrate is nothing but the FR4 material. Okay, as I have already told you, vias you can observe here, it is a hole which is coated with a conducting material from top to bottom. Okay, is it clear up to now? Please someone
Yes, sir.
respond. Okay, thank
Yes,
you.
sir.
Okay, You can observe the multi-layer PCB also in the same way. Okay, we have several layers of copper. We have several layers of substrate. We have several layers of solder masking. And wherever required, we have wires. Okay. Is the slide clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, flexible PCBs. As I have already told you, we can bend them. Flexible PCBs can be moved in a direction what we like. Okay, aluminum back PCBs. Here you can observe aluminum backing. It is a layer like a protecting layer. And where do we use it? For high power applications. And remaining all are same. Copper layers, solder masking, etc. etc. Okay. Rigid flexible PCBs. As I have already told you, think this is a motherboard and this is the connection to the keyboard. Okay. This is a flexible PCB and this is rigid PCB. Rigid PCB is nothing but it is a permanent PCB which is not meant to bend. Okay, rigidized flexible PCBs are same as of rigid flex PCBs. Okay, in fact, we will be having a rigid backing to the rigidized flexible PCBs. Okay, is the slide clear, guys? I'm moving to the next one. Okay, guys, one thing I need to tell you. Today is the introduction session. Okay, from tomorrow we will be working on the tools. Okay, tomorrow and day after tomorrow, we will not be working on any of the PCB designing softwares. Keep in mind that tomorrow and day after tomorrow, I will be giving you some of the circuits and we will be designing that circuits in a circuit design software. Okay, which is not related to any PCB designing. Okay, that is just like a multisim or like that, where we design circuits and see the outputs. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Why I need to give you the circuits is that for that circuits only you will be designing the PCB boards from the next classes. Okay, tomorrow and day after tomorrow you will be designing only circuits that has nothing to do with PCBs. Okay, from the next session.
Sir, can I show you how flexible PCB will be? Sir, can I show you? Sir, can I show it how flexible PCB is? I have it.
Okay, come again. I have not.
Sir, నా దగ్గర ఫ్లెక్సిబుల్ PCB ఒక ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఉంది. నేను చూపించవచ్చు దాన్ని వీడియో కాన్ఫరెన్స్ లో.
మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నాయా?
నా దగ్గర ఒక స్ట్రిప్ ఉంది సార్, ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కి చూపించమంటే చూపిస్తాను అందరికి అర్థమవడానికి.
Okay, at the end of the session I will give you the presenter.
Okay.
Let me complete the PPT. Okay, Mr. Khalil.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, here you will be observing each and every PCB, single-sided, double-sided, and multi-layer. Okay, as I have already told you, this is the clear information about types of PCBs based on layers. Okay, as I have already told you, the most basic PCBs have the components mounted on the side of the board and the conductor pattern on the other side. Is it clear, guys? That means observe here in the right bottom. This is the base material. Guys, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Audible, sir.
Okay, thank you. This is the FR4 material, and the yellow color is a copper conducting material. Okay, we will be placing the components here, and through these holes the terminals are soldered to the copper side. Is it clear, guys? The components,
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
okay, components will be placed on the FR4 layer, nothing but the board other side, but we need to solder the terminals to the copper side. Okay, don't forget it. Okay, some of the students, while designing the PCBs in colleges, they will be making mistakes. They will be placing the components to the copper side and they will be trying to solder here. Okay, that is not the correct way. We need to place the components on the base material side and solder the areas of pads. Pads are nothing but the terminal soldering areas. Okay, you can read the points because there is only a conductor pattern on one side. These types of PCBs are called single-sided or single layer. Is it clear, guys? And single-sided PCBs are only suitable for simple circuits. Okay, single-sided PCBs start point. Okay, did you get the point? Last point. First invented PCBs is a single-sided PCB, but still now also we are using single-sided PCBs. Okay, along with the multi-layer and double-sided PCBs, we are using single-sided PCBs also for current technologies also. Okay, one more important thing you need to keep in mind that whenever PCB designing is meant to be done, size matters. Okay, whenever an employee is looking for a employee to make a PCB for him, first they will consider your designing size. Okay, nothing but the smaller the PCB, the more valuable your circuit is. Okay, a designer must think in several ways to reduce the size of the board. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, size is a major factor in designing PCBs. Okay, guys, going to the next slide. Double-sided PCBs. Okay, as we have discussed earlier, double-sided are better suited to complex circuits. Okay, wherein parts and components are attached both sides of the substrate. Okay, next, you can read these points. I think no need to explain them, as I have already told you. because double-sided PCBs have conducting material on both sides. Okay, see the last 3 points. Okay, here it
Sir,
is explained about why.
sir,
Okay, tell me, Mr.
where the
Arvind.
soldering areas ఎక్కడ sir? Double side.
Okay, double-sided PCB. If we use as through-hole components, okay, we will be drilling holes and soldering on the other side. If we are using surface mount devices, there is no need of drilling the holes. We can directly solder the components on either sides of the PCB. Is it clear, Mr. Arvind?
Okay, sir.
Okay, depending on the component packages, either we can drill holes or there is no need of drilling the holes. Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay, is this slide clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, here it is about wires and etc. etc. Multi-layer PCBs. Okay, these are all the points we have already discussed. Okay, look into the diagram, guys. Right bottom side. Here we have several layers. Okay, that core material is the FR4 material. That green color are the tracks. Here you can observe the tube-like structure. That is the wires. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and keep in mind that in multi-layer PCBs, okay, we have several layers in between the top and bottom layers. Yes or no? But majority of the middle layers are used for only earthing and ground and power supply connections. Okay, majority of the middle layers are used only for providing ground and power supplies. Is it clear, guys?
Sir.
Only the major components are placed on the top and bottom layers. Okay, whenever there is a need for ground and power supply lines, they use the middle layers. Is it clear for all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, shall I move to the next slide?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Guys, shall I move to the next slide?
Sir, protecting layer ప్రతి layer కి ఉంటుందా?
Okay, Mr. Manohar.
Hello.
What is your doubt?
సో అదే ప్రొటెక్టింగ్ మాస్క్ ప్రతి లేయర్ కి ఉంటుందా మల్టీ లేయర్ లో?
మల్టీ లేయర్ లో ఇన్సులేటింగ్ మెటీరియల్ ఉంటుందండి. ఈచ్ లేయర్ is separated by a insulating layer. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay, between the core layer and copper layer, you will be having insulating material between the layers. Okay, going to the next slide. Guys, please turn off your mics. Board styles. Okay, as we have already discussed these types. Rigid is the solid construction. Flexible is the flexible circuits. Rigid flex is nothing but combination of rigid and flex. Okay, hybrid is they are very small circuits, can be part of rigid flex and as well as rigidized.
Sir, your
Sir, your
voice is
voice
not
is
audible.
not audible, sir. Your voice is not audible, sir.
Santosh, sir, your voice is not audible to us.
Okay, active components include diodes, transistor.
Sir,
చెప్పండి.
your voice is not audible to sir.
Okay, sorry. When did it went off?
One minute
Some
back.
starting.
Guys,
Sir, again explain top side.
okay, shall I start from the parts of a PCB?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Guys, all of you turn off your mics. Okay, give me a second.
Sir, you're not connected for our internet connection. I lost my connection.
Guys, please give me a minute. I'm in a call.
Okay.
Okay, guys, I am back. Sorry for the inconvenience. I need to take a call. Okay, this is not the parts of a PCB. Actually, they are components used in PCBs. Okay, the actual parts of PCB will be in the next slide. Okay, keep in mind that these are the components used in PCBs. Is it clear, everyone? Okay. What
sir.
are the components? These are the basic electronics we regularly come across in our labs. Is it clear? Okay. All of you have know what is an active component and what is a passive component. Do I need to explain them? Please respond.
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. Okay, these are the basic components we use in designing printed circuit boards. Okay, active components include diodes, transistors, and ICs, whereas passive components include resistors, capacitors, inductors, and so on. Okay, each and every circuit, they will be having these components. Whatever may be the circuit, we will be coming across resistors, capacitors, inductors, ICs, transistors and diodes. Okay, these are the components. Okay, is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
thank you.
sir.
Okay, coming to the next slide. These are the parts of PCBs. Okay, we have already discussed about them. Okay, now clearly observe each and every point. Okay, pads, location where components solder to, or where the component terminals are soldered, is the area known as pads. Is it clear, guys? The next one is traces or tracks. Tracks and traces are same. Guys, give me a minute. Something wrong with my PC. Okay, next. Keep in mind that, guys, traces or tracks are same. Connected pads together. Pads are nothing but the component terminals where we solder them. Next, wires. As I have already told you, responsible for making electrical connection between the layers of PCBs. Next, top metal layer, bottom metal layer. Okay, you know already what is the top layer and bottom layer. The layer where most of the components are assembled. Okay, keep in mind that in any PCB, the majority 70 to 80% components are on the top layer only. Okay, it is clearly mentioned here, the layer where most of the components are assembled. Okay, fewer traces in the top metal layer. Okay, traces or tracks, nothing but in the top layer we will be observing only few tracks in the top layer, whereas coming to the bottom layer we will be observing only less components, but we will be observing several layers of tracks. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Can I move to the next slide, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Who is that talking? Do you have any doubts?
No, sir. Continue.
Okay, Mr. Sai Charan, K. Sai Charan. Okay, your doubt is soldering in middle layer. Okay, there is no need of soldering in the middle layers. Directly we will be giving tracks. Okay, middle layers are only meant for tracks. There will not be any solderings in the middle layers. Is it clear? Mr. Sai Charan. Okay, there is no need of giving soldering in the middle layers. Okay, guys, middle layer is only meant for directly we will be giving tracks wherever the connection is needed. Either it is a power supply connection or ground connection. Okay, shall I move to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Hello, sir.
Okay, who's that?
సార్ మిడిల్ లేయర్ లో సాల్వింగ్ లేకపోతే లూజ్ కనెక్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా సార్?
Okay, that is not a problem. Middle layers are directly
సార్ యువర్ వాయిస్ ఇస్ నాట్ ఆడిబుల్.
okay. Is it audible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sorry for the inconvenience. I have some network issues. Okay. There is no need of solderings in the middle layers. Okay. We will be directly using tracks. Okay. You will be knowing while designing in the softwares. Don't bother about it.
Sir, out
Okay.
of it, sir. There
Okay,
is
who's
no
the
soldering.
talker?
There is no soldering on the components. Out of it, sir.
జస్ట్ కాంటాక్ట్ ఆ ట్రేసెస్ కి అంటే ఎలిమెంట్ కి టచ్ అయితే చాలు.
Wait. Okay, see this, mister, who have doubts about the middle layers. This is the wires and this is the yellow part is conducting material, nothing but the copper. Okay, observe here, and where do you need soldering here? We are directly taking the copper path. Is it clear? There is no need of soldering in the middle layers. Okay, observe this picture. We are using the wires, and wherever the connection is required, we are using a copper track. Okay, so there is no need of soldering in the middle layers. Is it clear? Those who have doubt about the
Okay, sir. Now it
middle
is
layer.
clear.
Okay, thank you.
సార్ ఐ హావ్ డౌట్ సార్. సార్ ట్రేస్ లో మొత్తం అంతా కాపర్ స్ట్రిప్ అనేది ఫిల్ అయింది కదా సార్. ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ షార్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ అవుతుంది కదా సార్. అక్కడ మనం ఎక్కడ ఇన్సులేషన్ అనేది ఎక్కడ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయలేదు కదా దాంట్లో మధ్యలో.
Okay, mister, what is your name?
సార్ మై నేమ్ ఇస్ ఎస్ఆర్కే. సార్ ఇది ఇప్పుడు డబల్ లేయర్ మల్టీ లేయర్స్ అన్నా కదా. ట్రేస్ లో హోల్డ్ చేసినప్పుడు డ్రిల్ చేసినప్పుడు మొత్తం అంతా మెటీరియల్ అనేది కాపర్ సార్ అక్కడ వాడేది. తర్వాత మనం ఆ సైడ్ ఈ సైడ్ మనం ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎలిమెంట్స్ షార్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ అవుతాయి కదా సార్ అక్కడ. అంటే ఏ విధమైన ఇన్సులేషన్ ప్రొవైడ్.
Okay, tell me what is your doubt clearly.
సార్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ గా డబల్ లేయర్ కానీ లేదా మల్టీ లేయర్స్ కానీ వాడినప్పుడు మనం డ్రిల్ చేస్తాం కదా సార్ అక్కడ ట్రేస్ కి ఇన్సర్ట్ చేయడానికి ఎలిమెంట్స్.
Okay.
ఆ మధ్యలో కాపర్ స్ట్రిప్ అనేది ఉంది. అక్కడ మనం దానిపైన మనం ఎలిమెంట్ అనేది ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తాం కదా సార్.
Okay.
మనం ఏ విధమైన సాల్డరింగ్ లేకుండా ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తా ఉన్నారు ట్రేస్ వల్ల. తర్వాత ఏంటంటే ఆ స్ట్రిప్ అంతా ఒకే లైన్ ఉంది కదా సార్, అది కాపర్ మెటీరియల్ అనేది. తర్వాత మనం వాడే ఎలిమెంట్స్ షార్ట్ సర్క్యూట్ అవుతాయి కదా.
Okay, Shivaramakrishna.
sir.
I think I know your doubt. These are just the tags. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
They will not be present in the entire board. Okay, they are just lines. While designing, designer must check each and every aspect. Okay, these are just 0.1 tracks. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
0.1 inch tracks there. They will not be present in the entire layer. Okay. We will be drilling holes where the space is available for the designer. Is it clear?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Okay, as I have already told you, you can observe clearly the devices. We have two types of technologies or packages. The first one is through hole method. Here on the right bottom side, you can observe the through hole devices. Through hole devices will have terminals, whereas the surface mount devices are directly soldered to the PCBs either on the sides, either in the top side or in the bottom side. Okay, all of you clear with this slide? We have two types of packages. The first one is through hole method or through hole package. These are the through hole components. Okay, basically what we come across in our labs. Okay, transformers, regulators, resistors, diodes, capacitors, etc., etc. Okay, and surface mount devices. These are the advanced technologies. All of these components, either resistors, capacitors, all of these components will be designed in this style only. Is it clear, guys? Here you can observe the definition of surface mount devices. PCB components are directly mounted on the board. Through hole components are inserted through the holes. Okay, guys, I'm moving to the next slide.
Okay, sir.
Okay, these are the number of softwares available for designing PCBs. There are number of softwares like PCB Wizard, PCB Web Designer, Genit PCB, TinyCAD, Osmond PCB, Express PCB, KiCad, JADA, Design Spark, EasyEDA, Eagle PCB, etc. Okay, guys. In this 2-week session, we will be using a basic software, that is PCB Wizard. A clear understanding, it is a basic software. Is it clear, guys? The PCB Wizard is a basic software. Okay, usually it is meant for training the beginners. And in these 2 weeks, we will be using a online tool called as EasyEDA. Okay, it is a advanced software. Is it clear, guys? EasyEDA. It is an online tool. We will be using it online, and it is an advanced tool.
So we will get the free version of this, sir?
Okay, it is an online tool. You will get the full version. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And on the last day, you will be introduced to Eagle PCB. Is it clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For tomorrow's
So
session,
this
we will be. Okay, tell me, Mister.
so this software is running in mobile, sir, or not? Supports in.
Okay. It will not be supported in mobile phones. Try to get a PC. If there is
Okay,
a PC,
sir.
it will be helpful for practicing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, guys. Try to maintain a PC. You need to install software and you need to practice the circuits. Okay, we will be learning 3 softwares. First one is PCB Wizard. Second one is Easy EDA. The last one is Eagle PCB. Guys, turn off your mics. Okay, today I can understand that this platform is new for you. Okay, please be aware. If you accidentally touch your mics or webcams, you will be visible and you will be audible for everyone. Is it clear, guys? Your attendance is directly taken from this app. Whoever attends the session and how much time they will stay will be available. Each and every step will be available from this application. Okay, how much time you have been in the class? With minutes, it will give us the attendance. Okay, attendance is mandatory. Those who maintain 80% attendance only will get the certificate. Okay. Nobody will be entertained if you have no attendance. Is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir. But is
Yes.
at the end of the session will be there any exam, sir, for this?
Okay, you will be having a exam which will consisting of multiple choice questions. In the last day, you will be having the exam.
Okay, sir. Thank you. That we need to participate in the PC or mobile, sir.
Okay, it will be open in mobile as well as PC. Some for members, it will not be open in mobile phones. It is based on the OS.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Okay, shall I move to the next slide? We have 5 more minutes.
Hello, sir.
Guys, for tomorrow we will be using a software called as Livewire, where we will be designing some circuits only and checking them. Okay, చెప్పండి.
మేము ఆల్రెడీ రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యాం కానీ మెయిల్ రాలేదు.
Guys, everyone turn off your mics. Except the person talking, I need all of you to mute your mics. Okay, tell me.
సార్ మేము ఆల్రెడీ రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యాం సార్, కానీ మెయిల్ అనేది రాలేదు సార్.
మరి సెషన్ కి ఎలా అటెండ్ అయ్యారు?
మేము ఐఓటీ చేసాం సార్. ఎంబెడెడ్ చేస్తే అందులో గ్రూప్ లో మాకు లింక్ పెట్టారు సార్. దాని ద్వారాగా మా ఫ్రెండ్ కూడా లింక్ పెట్టింది, దాని ద్వారాగా మేము రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యాం.
ఓకే, రిజిస్టర్ అయ్యారు
సెషన్ కి
కదా?
అటెండ్ అయ్యాం సార్.
ఓకే, ఎంబెడెడ్
రిజిస్టర్
బ్యాచ్
అయ్యాం
నో
సార్.
ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, ఎంబెడెడ్ బ్యాచ్ కాకుండా జూలై 10th వరకు రిజిస్టర్ అయిన వాళ్ళకి ఒక 270 మెంబర్స్ తీసుకున్నాం ఈ బ్యాచ్. నెక్స్ట్ 27th నుంచి నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాచ్ ఉంటుంది. కొంతమందికి మెయిల్స్ వెళ్ళలేదు, వాళ్ళకి ఆ బ్యాచ్ లో క్లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఇస్ ఇట్ క్లియర్?
అంటే సార్ మేము ఈ సెషన్ కంటిన్యూ చేయాలా లేకపోతే?
ఓకే, యూ కెన్
నెక్స్ట్
కంటిన్యూ, నో
బ్యాచ్
ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, యూ
మా
కెన్ కంటిన్యూ. మీరు ఎంబెడెడ్ సిస్టమ్ నుంచి వచ్చారు కదా?
అవును సార్.
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. Okay guys, shall I move to the next slide? I will conclude
Yes, sir.
fastly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I need all of you to guys turn off your mics.
Hello, sir.
Okay, Manohar చెప్పండి.
PCB బోర్డు హార్డ్వేర్ బోర్డు కదా, మరి అంటే సాఫ్ట్వేర్ అర్థం కాలేదు సార్, సాఫ్ట్వేర్ ఎందుకు వాడుతున్నారండి?
Designing is made in softwares only. ఓకే, మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత. ఫస్ట్ పిసిబి అనేది సర్క్యూటే కదా. ఒక డిజైనర్ కి తన మైండ్ లో వచ్చిన సర్క్యూట్ ని పిసిబి బోర్డ్ కింద డిజైన్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే గైస్, ఫర్ 5 minutes I need all of you to turn off your mics. I need all of you to mute your mics. Okay, you can ask your doubts after completion of the PPT. I need 5 more minutes. Please be patient. Okay, these are the different softwares. Coming to the next slide. This is the manual process for making PCBs. Guys, please pay attention. This is the manual process. Okay, this is not what they do in manufacturing companies. This is the manual process where PCBs are prepared at homes. Okay, firstly we need a circuit, and then we will design the PCB in PCB designing softwares. Then we take a printout of that. Okay, here in the left bottom side you can observe a circuit is printed in a paper that is not a normal A4 paper. Here you can observe, print the circuit pattern in ink with a laser printer into a glassy photo paper. Okay, for printing the PCB designs we will use a photo paper. Okay, this is the PCB sheet. Okay, you can observe on the right top corner. This is a PCB sheet, single side PCB. This is the copper area. Okay, the entire sheet is coated with copper. The other side is a plastic material, nothing but the fiberglass and epoxy. Okay guys, this is the manual process for making PCBs. Okay, this is the first step. We need to print the circuit, and we need to take a copper clad plate and cut it to a proper size which fits the print. Okay, going to the next step, we need to clean the copper sheet. Okay, with the scotch. Okay, we need to clearly rub it with a sketch and then prepare a pattern to be ironed into the board. Guys, we need to keep the printed photo paper on the PCB board on the copper side. For printing the PCB design into the board, we need to heat it. For manual process, we will be using a iron box. Is it clear guys? First we need to clean the PCB board, and then we need to place the print on the copper side of the PCB board, and then we need to iron it. Okay, here you can observe, use an iron. Okay, it should be no steam. Okay, if you keep the steam on, the paper gets wet. Okay, no need of steam iron. Okay, you need to iron it for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, here it is mentioned only 3 minutes, but for proper printing we need to iron it for 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, and then after ironing, we need to keep that board in a bowl of water for 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. This is all the manual process where students and designers can work at home. Okay. Now, after soaking, you need to remove the paper with your fingers. Okay, by slowly rubbing on the paper. Okay. You can read the steps here. After soaking, remove as much backing paper as possible with the fingers. The ink pattern will stick to the copper below. Okay, you can observe in the left bottom that the print is on the copper board. Okay, here you have removed all the paper, but the ink print is printed on the board. Is it clear, guys? But in manufacturing companies, there is no need of all this. There will be machinery for printing the PCB designs into the PCB boards. Okay, you can read this point. After cleaning off as much as paper possible by hand, use a toothbrush to scrub the surface some more. Okay, if you rub it hardly, the print may get damaged. Okay, you need to be still and you need to rub it gently. Okay, going to the next process. Okay, you can observe on the top left, here is a set of boards ready for etching. The ink serves as a etch mask. The product, the copper one. Okay, this is not product, protect. To protect the copper when it is submerged into the etchant. This is not product, it is protect. Okay, to protect the copper, the paper plays as a, the ink plays as a etchant mask. Is it clear, guys? After printing the PCB design in a PCB board, we need to etch the guys, is my voice audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me.
Okay, thank you. I will conclude in 5 minutes. By 12:15, the session will be closed. As this is the first day, I will be taking 15 minutes more. Okay, from tomorrow, 10 to 12 will be the session, and 10 minutes I will be there for your doubts. Okay, the session will close at 12:10 every day. Okay, you can read these points. Okay, what is the etching? Can anyone tell me what is etching?
Removing the extra copper, sir.
Process of removing the
Copper.
Yes, wonderful, wonderful. That's a nice answer. We need to remove the excess copper. Okay, observe here, guys. In the bowl, you can observe a area where copper is directly, you can see it. It is visible. Okay, all that copper will be etched in the etchant. Okay, this is a etching solution. Okay, please make a note of it. The etching solution is known as ferric chloride or ferrous chloride. Okay, the ferric chloride solution is much similar to acid. Okay, but it is not that much harmful. But if we keep our fingers in the ferric chloride solution, we may be getting itching for 1 to 2 days. Is it clear, guys? The etchant solution, which is known as ferric chloride, is somewhat like to acid. Okay, by touching it, we may be getting some rashes, something like that. Okay, while dealing with the ferric chloride solution, we need to be very careful. Is it clear, guys? When immersed in etchant for few minutes, the exposed copper is dissolved. Okay, etching is nothing but, you can observe here, wherever the ink is present, that is nothing but the copper tracks. Except that area, everything remaining will be etched. Etched is nothing but removed. Okay, I am moving to the next slide. See here, guys. This is the etched board. You can read the font. Here is a fully etched board ready for cleanup. The plastic under where there is used to be copper is actually white. Okay, this is completely etched board. Guys, you can observe here, there is no copper here. Okay, guys, use acetone for cleaning. After etching, you need to use acetone and a scrub to clean the board. Okay, tomorrow I will show you some of the pictures, and if possible I will show you a video. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm moving to the next slide. The next step is drilling the holes. Okay, wherever the components are there, by looking at the design, we need to drill holes at the pads. Okay, and the last step, we will be soldering the components and testing the board, and it is went for final inspection. Lastly, it is went for packing. Okay, these are some of the applications. Okay, PCBs are everywhere, Amma. Okay, in whatever we touch in our homes, inside there will be a PCB. Okay, example, TVs, fridges, washing machines, ovens, everything is made up of by using PCBs. Okay, everything we touch in our homes, electronic appliances, there will be a PCB inside it. Okay, these are some of the major applications like medical, military, aerospace, and telecommunication. Okay, is it clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Automotive manufacturing and consumer appliances. These are.
Can you share the PPT?
Okay, I will share it to you. Guys, I need all of you to be in the WhatsApp group. It is mandatory because I will be sharing information in the groups only. Till you receive the certificate, you need to be in that group. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, attendance is mandatory. 80% attendance untene certificate vastundi. Otherwise, no one will be entertained.
సార్ ఒకసారి సార్ సార్ నా నెంబర్ వాట్సాప్ లో లేదు సార్, దాంట్లో గ్రూప్ లో.
మీకు మెయిల్ వస్తే మెయిల్లో లింక్ ఉంటుంది, లింక్ ద్వారా గ్రూప్ లో జాయిన్ అవ్వండి.
లింక్ లింక్ ఇచ్చారు సార్ నాకు దాంట్లో.
హలో
లింక్ లింక్ లేదు సార్.
వాట్సాప్ లేదా?
వాట్సాప్ లో నా నెంబర్ యాడ్ చేయండి సార్.
Okay,
సార్
guys.
లింక్ లో యాడ్ అవుతుంటే ఫుల్ అని వస్తుంది సార్.
Okay, we will change the settings.
Sir, actually I did not get my mail. I only joined through the link. I will get the attendance or not?
Okay, you will get the attendance. Guys, I need all of you to rename if you haven't renamed your profile. Nothing but I need your name and roll number. Is it clear for everyone? For tomorrow, I will share the software link in the group. I need you to install PCB Livewire and PCB Wizard software. It is a combined software. If you install one file, that both softwares get installed. For tomorrow, we will be dealing with a software called as Livewire. Okay.
Sir,
It has
coming
no
sessions
connection.
లోని sir, coming
Okay,
sessions
చెప్పండి.
లోని టూల్స్ అండ్ టెస్టింగ్ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ మీద ఏమన్నా ఉంటాయా అండి?
ప్రాక్టికల్ గా అయితే ఏముందండి, అంతా సాఫ్ట్వేర్ మీద నేర్చుకున్నాం.
అంతేనా? ఓకే సార్.
ప్రాక్టికల్ గా చూపించడానికి ఏమీ ఉండదు కదా ఇప్పుడు ఆన్లైన్ క్లాసెస్ లో.
సో బట్ అట్లీస్ట్ విజువల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అయినా.
ఓకే, విజువల్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ అంటే నేను చేసి చూపించాలి ఇంకా మీకు. ఓకే, if it is possible, I will try my level best.
Okay sir, thank you.
Guys,
Sir, will you send the software link in the group?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I will share it in the WhatsApp.
Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Sir, can you?
Hello. Sir, shall we get any virtual links from YouTube which will be helpful for us, sir?
Okay.
If you
it
like
is
that,
possible,
anything
I will share it
like
with
that,
you.
share. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So, is there any projects that you will be given for us, sir?
Okay, there will be no projects. Just I will be giving you tasks. Okay, I will be
Okay, sir.
giving you some of the circuits, and you will have
Okay,
to
sir.
design a PCB for that circuit. Okay.
Shall we get any PCB kits in outlets, sir, to buy?
Okay, there will not be any
To
kits
get
available.
practical, physical, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you are near
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Vijayawada or Vizag, you can get components.
From where can I get, sir?
After from
In
electronic
Visakhapatnam,
stores.
it is Sumit Electronics.
Sir, in Kakinada area also, sir. Anand Electronics.
I think Kakinada there is no electronic store. I think so. I
Anand
don't
Sir,
Electronics.
is there any feasibility to get in Tirupati, sir? Hello, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
I don't know about Tirupati.
Sir, is there any? Okay, sir.
Purchase online in Amazon. But
Thank you, sir.
My office is located in
Shall we
Vijayawada.
get in online, sir?
Okay, you can get in online, but there is no guarantee for that. I haven't
you can
purchased
purchase in
online.
Amazon and Flipkart also. Too many electronic components are there.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Electronic components you can buy in online, but I don't know about the
Okay, sir.
PCB boards, its and solution, and so on. Okay.
Sir, what
Okay,
about
sir.
recorder section, sir?
Thank you for the information.
Hello.
Sir, what about recorder section, sir? Recorder sections.
Think for
Okay, come
recording
again. I
sections,
don't.
sir. Today's
Okay,
recording
we
session.
will share it with you.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank
we
you.
Can
need
we
to
leave
download them from the app.
Sir,
Okay.
can I leave now?
If all of your doubts are cleared, you can leave the session.
Thank you.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Sir?
Okay, sir.
చెప్పండి.
Sir, actual గా వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్ ఫుల్ అని